Take command of the road in the 2013 Kia Sportage. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include power windows, a tachometer, front fog lights, turn signal indicator mirrors, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and one-touch window functionality. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Kia ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Call now to schedule a test drive.